Alright, so we are back on the clinger here. It is time for us to put the plunger and the frag grenade together, so let's go ahead and click on the assembly drawing. Now we need to insert and bring these in, so I'm going to insert. When we do this, it is important for us to click and say we want the entire part studio as rigid. So I'm going to turn that on. So let's place the plunger, come down and place the frag grenade. They're taken care of, so let's do that. Now, with that being said, we can move this as one part. If we didn't bring these in as rigid, this would kind of break apart when we go to move that. Now, one other thing here, we want one of these parts to be fixed and not moved. So in this case, I'm going to say we're going to fix the plunger here. So I right click and go to fix this. Now, that locks this in and keeps us from being able to actually move that in space. So that helps us to build this assembly. Now, we have these different types of connections. So I can say fasten connection here. And in this case, I'm going to say I want this center point to go right up here. So let's kind of get underneath this. You'll have to kind of pay attention to how you're doing that. We want that to be right there. All right. Click solved. So, and here we have basically the beginning of our clinger. So here with this particular one. Now, we can go in and we can start to add some more detail, give this a little bit more artistic flair as we go. But that's basically the rough gist of this particular droid for right now. So let's go ahead and click on this. Let's get this there. And everything is locked in place. We're good to go with our clinger.